I'm doing now is I'm attaching the wooden tracks to the plywood. We have doubled up the plywood, so instead of it just being 3/4 inch thick, we're now at 1.5 inch thick plywood for each section to roll. We didn't think that the 3/4 inch was strong enough, so we have tested one side of the track to make sure that it works. We've measured out the length for the other side, so I'm going to be installing this track now. I'll lower the camera so you can see. So I'm going to measure out, we checked the line, so I'm going to measure out the line to make sure it's all at 12 1/4, which it is. And in order for the bed to be able to roll out and be able to have support, we are not actually having the bed support system go from one side of the van to the other. We're doing a midsection support. Having 2 drills is fantastic because you have one to pre-drill your holes and then you have another one to drill in the screws. I just really want to line up the hole and make sure that it's in there. Okay, so now that I have the one down, I'm going to grab my glue. I think one of the most challenging things when you do these builds is that you have crap everywhere. Or you thought you put down your tape measure, it is just not there anymore. And then your drill is on the other side of the van, your screws are in the garage, your tape measure is in the house, and nothing is ever where you think it is. So what I'm doing is I'm using a little bit of wood glue because I would like to, wood glue, wood. I do want to also have just a little bit more of security since these are the rails. There is going to be movement, so I would like stuff to be, want to make sure that that's lined up properly to 12 1/4. Pre-drill. And this part of the bed that I'm working on, this part of the bed is actually going to be the couch part. This will not be folding up. This will be the part that will always stay flat. So the other 2 wood rails that we are installing will be shorter so that the other 2 platforms can fold up against each other. See, the drill is right in front of me and I can't find it. I think my drill is dying. Oh yeah. Okay. So those are on, and then I'm going to grab some wheels. So we're doing 3 wheels on each side. And what I need to do first before I attach these is I actually need to go up to the cabinet and measure where the screws are, because we don't want the wheels to start on top of the screws, because we want to be able to have more of a gentle glide. So I'm going to work on that. It gives you an update of where we're at though. See ya.